up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Thursday, guys. I hope you are enjoying all the videos and the media that I'm throwing out there for y'all. And please excuse these nails. They will be fixed by tomorrow. I promise you guys that. What's up, guys? If you are new to my YouTube channel, Samantha Sweets. Oh my goodness, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, ding, ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I'm doing giveaways, baby. Back to back to back. Boom! All of 2019. Let's go. And if you like me, let me. If you like me, let me. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, if you guys are just now tuning in, you know that I am hurt. I got hurt at work, so my shoulder is a little bit out of service, under construction right now. So we'll be taking it easy on that. And I have for you guys today a Target Beauty Box. I love Target Beauty Box. If you guys do not know what that is, it's not a monthly subscription service. It is actually like whatever you want. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, you don't. And you get to see what you're getting in the box. Also, it is $7 a month. I think like 89 cents for shipping or whatever. Brings your total up to like $7.98 in total. And I just love this box. Sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. It's a hit or a miss. I actually have no idea what's in this box, so I'm super duper excited. So let's jump on in. Alright, so it's big this month. Normally it comes in like a white little small box, and this one's big. So I don't know what they're doing lately. Oh no, I left the cutter at the couch. Hold on, be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I got it. Oh my goodness, this weekend I'm so excited because I have to go back to work on Sunday. Wah, wah, wah. But I am on light duty, so I'll probably be like in the control room area or whatever. But I am going to be putting up my backdrop and everything. I'm so excited, and I'm looking at tables for like new vlogging stations, so stay tuned for that. I'm very excited. And also, guys, excuse me, make sure you check out that giveaway, that Morphe palettes. If you guys want free Morphe palettes, you know, check out that video. I will leave it in the link in the description box below. It is the giveaway video for this month, and oh boy, you're not gonna want to miss the giveaway for next month. It's something that a lot of my subscribers have been trying to get their hands on, and they can't because it's been sold out, and I'm giving it to y'all for free. So what's wrong with y'all? Alright, so let's click on him. Guys, if you guys notice that my views are not that high, and like my subscriber count goes up, you know, like 12 maybe new subscribers or whatever, and I found out that more men are watching me than women. That is very saddening. But I tried my hardest, and I know I was meant to do this. I know I was. I have the drive, I have the personality, I have the dedication, and I honestly reached out to YouTube and was like, what can I do to further my channel to be able to get views, you know, on a like, what the hell is this? On a regular basis. So if you guys have any ideas for me, put it down in the comments down below. I was like, what the hell does that sound? Okay, so this is the box for the month. I am definitely keeping this. People at my job call me the spicy jalapeno pepper. So these are like hot chili peppers. This is so cutie for like the summer. Definitely keeping this box. This box is so cute. So let's jump on in and see what we're getting. Oh my God, I don't want to damage the box. This is so cute. God, I love this box. Oh, also, if you're wondering what's on my lips, I'm actually using Marabella. I have never, ever used this brand before, honestly. And this is what it looks like right here. It's like this Barbie pink. I am obsessed. I use that word a lot, but I really like it. I think the color looks really good on me. So I'm very happy. Also, guys, tomorrow, I want to do it right now, but God, the lighting is just not perfect. I want the lighting to be perfect when I do this video. Tomorrow, I'll be doing a Busy Beauty review, a Busy Beauty haul, and I want you guys to check out her eBay lot listings. The woman's on fire this year. She is killing it. Oh my God, like if you're not buying from her, you're getting fucked. Like, I'll just say that now, because you're buying something probably full price and you're not getting free gifts along with the purchase, along with a whole bunch of other little goodies. So definitely check out her lots. I will leave her description in the I will leave her link to her description in the box below, because she got some links right now too. All right. So let's jump on in. So the theme for this month is hot for real and has everything on the back of what we're getting. I was like, damn, this smells good. This is cool. I'm just looking at some things, but oh my God. And I just went to the dentist today and I see one of these things is exactly what I need. So now I can save money. You don't have to buy them tomorrow. Thank you, Target box. All right. So this is everything that's in the box this month. Like I said, I have no idea what's in this box. Ta-da! That's a cute little thumbnail. So, oh my God. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, yes. Okay. Is another Hello toothpaste, and this is a activated charcoal hemp seed farm grown mint. So the first one I got, it's like somewhere around here or whatever, and it's Epic Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste. So the first one I got, I think it was not mint, it was like a different flavor. It was Arctic Fresh, and this one's mint. So now I have two of these. Yes, Target, keep on, just keep on with the keep on. Unfortunately, this is not giving me the prices. I wish it does, but this is the Hello Activated Charcoal works to remove surface stains for noticeably whiter, brighter teeth, while farm-grown mint keeps your breath smelling fresh. Yes, please. So this is awesome. I literally just went to the dentist like a couple of hours ago. So, cheese and my little pearly whites. All right. I keep it on with the keep on to the teeth related. This is what I said I was super duper excited for. Or not. This is not what I thought it was. Okay, I thought that these were like dentist floss. This is not dentist floss. So this is Oral-B Precision Clean External Picks. Is this like a toothpick? Oh, okay. Gently massages and stimulates gums to promote gum health. Oh, I might need to give some of these to my son because he's been complaining of his gums lately. And I'm trying to find him a new dentist because ever since the hurricane, there's really not children dentists around here. So this is flexible yet strong bristles. Glides between teeth to help remove food and plaque while gently massaging and stimulating gums to promote gum health. Okay. Cool, I guess. It's not what I needed though. I need like those, like the floss built on the little horseshoe. And then I just go eek, 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 because I have a very small mouth. See? Small. Alright. So, that's cool. The next little goodie. Oh, this is cool. This is like a little keychain thing. This is so cute. So, this is an Aussie, and I love Aussie. I use their scrunch spray and their smoothing spray, like their leave-in conditioner. And this is deep conditioner. This is 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. And I guess I just use this after, like, instead of my shampoo and conditioner, I use this as my conditioner. And oh my God, Aussie smells so good. But I've actually been thinking, because my goddaughter smells, oh, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. My goddaughter's hair has been like, I've been whiffing it. My goddaughter Azaria, she smells like apples. She gets this Garnier Fructis apples, and I'm like, oh my God, I need that in my life. So I have a coupon I got from Dollar General. Definitely sign up for the coupons if you're not. And I'm going to pick those up on Saturday, because if you spend $20, you get $5 off. Hi, how are ya? Yes, please. So this is really cool to have for traveling. This box is really cool this month. The next little goodie is different because I'm not a man. So this is the 2-in-1 formula Dove Men Care Fortifying Shampoo and Conditioner with caffeine menthol. Okay, so this is going to Sweetie Prince, obviously. I've never received a man product in the Target box before because Target has their own man box. It smells good though. It smells honestly like Fabuloso. But I'm going to give this to my son, and he can use this like if he goes to the gym or, you know, when he's at school. If you want, you know, just a little cute travel size. This is cute for traveling. Alright, now this one that I'm really super duper excited for is I've never received food in a Target beauty box before. This is the new My Bite vitamins. And this is beauty inside and out. This helps support your hair, healthy skin, and nails. God, I had like a vitamin around here I wanted to show you guys. I got hair, nail, and skin vitamins after I got burned really bad from the beach. My ex had recommended me to pick those up, so I did, and I never used them. But this is chocolate. I get to eat dark chocolate, which is like my favorite, second to white chocolate. But dark chocolate, vitamin E and biotin and vitamin C. dark chocolatey bites with rich caramel, roasted peanuts, and whipped butter. They give me a 5-day supply of a dietary supplement that's chocolate. Yes, please. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. This is awesome. I guess like people weren't really taking advantage of vitamins anymore. So they're like, what can we do? They turned your healthy vitamins into chocolate. I'm shocked. I'm shooked. I'm shook. Okay. So this is awesome. And they have 3 different kinds. They have 4 different kinds. They have Hers, Energy, Z. So they have the ones that help you sleep. I got some new ones. I'm not feeling them, but they are knocking me out. So cool. And they are like the Ollie brand, but the off version Walmart. And they put me to sleep. They taste like raisins, but they put me to sleep. So whatever, I already paid for them. But they have Hers, Energy, Z, and then these are Beauty. This is so cool. I cannot wait to try these. I'm full right now. I just literally had dinner, but I can't wait to try these and see like how my nail and my hairs are growing. My hair, all that good stuff. Also, guys, I am thinking about coloring my hair. It's like probably a given. I'm definitely doing it. I've been keeping up with the red for the last 3 months, I think it is, and I'm ready to go back to my black. People were like, no, don't do it, Samantha. I miss my black, so I'm going back to my black hair, people. I just miss it. All right, and the last little goodie in this box, I'm like over here rambling, is the Herbal Essence Rich Bark Extract. And this is sulfate free, so this is good for color treated hair, shampoo and conditioner. I don't really use foil packets, honestly, when it's like this. I don't like it, but I mean, gotta be honest, I'm not gonna use these guys, so maybe I'll incorporate these in a giveaway, or I'll just throw them away. I just don't use them. There's nothing against it. I feel like you guys could have like thrown a little mini size bottle of this in there or whatever. I just think it's such a, I mean, honestly, like even the color treated masks for my hair, you get them in these, and I hate it because you gotta cut it in the shower and all that good stuff, and it's a mess. So we'll probably never use these, but it's okay. It's a nice little extra. So in total we got 1, 2, 3. I'm excited for these. 4. I'm still trying to decide if these are like the fanciest toothpicks you ever did find. That must be what these are, because honestly, I've never even heard of these. 4, 5, and 6. So this was, excuse me, goodness gracious, I had a raspberry ginger ale with my dinner, and I'm burping it up. I think this was a fantastic box. I'm very impressed by it. I'm happy with it. So yeah, definitely sign up for it if you guys don't. This is amazing. As you guys know, I canceled Birchbox, but Target Box, Beauty Box, $7. And you get like all these little extra things. You can always use them or give them away or have it for travel. Throw it in a little travel bag. 2 thumbs up, Target. 2 thumbs up. Alright guys, so that is all that I got for this video. I'm about to film another one. I can't tell you what it is though, but it's a good one. Alright guys, as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.